Don't ask me about that one. Hello people, my name is Emery and welcome to the making of a balisong. I don't know what it's called. A balisong butterfly knife. Out of k-nects, there's 2 versions. And those versions, the way that I can make it makes it a lot easier to make it. This one makes it so the blade is lower down, so it's more like one. And this one is just a cheap one, because it has these orange things. So basically what you have to do for either of them is, I'll show you the one with the orange connectors first, because you do the same exact thing. Oh, sorry. Connect this to a... I should show you the supply, shouldn't I? Yes, I should. Do you have these little things, except for these are the littlest things you can get? Except for this. This connects them directly to where there's no space at all. So basically, okay, and then you have a yellow piece, another orange connector to these things. 2 of these red things, just because they're about the same length of the handle almost. And this, I just grabbed this because it helps me. It's very little. I can mark out which side is the knife or the blade, so I know which side would be the blade. And you know what's a good thing about the yellow thing? Once you put in the knife will not move around, or you could just take out the yellow polish completely and the orange tip that goes with it, and just have the other design. You know which side the knife would be on. But it'd be a lot easier to move it around. So basically, when it's closed, it wouldn't move around, but when it's open, that's a completely different story. Yeah, it will move it around normally. So first, you take a orange piece. Yes, I'll do it with the. And as you know, it's either 2 more orange or 2 more yellow things. So basically, you take an orange and you connect it. You take one of these thing connectors, connect it. Then you shut it off. And then you can go ahead and put the thing on. I'm just gonna go ahead and have this be the mouth of the blade of the mouth handle. Yeah, the mouth handle. And then for the other side, you go ahead and put this on, slide it through. Basically, you have it on like, basically what happens is you have it on like this, and you have to line it, up to where you can push down. Okay, so I had a lot of trouble connecting it. Oh yeah, by the way, in each step of the moving, once you get one handle on, go ahead and start moving it around, see if it's sturdy. Which they will be reinforced with gold invisible tape that you can put on. I will not, because I'll be able to take it apart and put it back together. You know, after you have that, put the other thing on. Then now you can move it all around and stuff. Day in, day out against any and all competitors and find a way to win. Guys like Triple H been great. Flair, Hogan, this is going on. The guys go very tight, all these things. The accomplishment itself, feel it. Boop. Okay, sorry. And then once you have that done, basically what you do is you slide this in. Basically this is what makes the knife part not sturdy. It makes a good sound. So you put that in, and then you have to put this in just right. As you can see, look. It moves around, you can hear it. You know, just attach your blade in. And then I will just go ahead and quickly take this apart for you guys. I cannot, and you know what? It's very easy that you could just do something else like It's very easy that you could have done something else, like go ahead and have the handles attached to this. That saves you a little bit of time, and go ahead and have that marked out. Okay, so now to continue, go ahead and have your pieces pre-prepped. You could go ahead and do that with the other one. I was showing you to do it with non-pre-prep. So with pre-prepped, you can either put it there or there, depends on what your preference is. You know, do the same thing with the orange. Yeah, I got a thing like that. My ankle when I was younger to me. It's always something else. And I'm in my prime, damn it. No, just say, wait. Before you talk on my ego. Or something else. So the two sources I'm calling you all out right now. As you can see, this should move a little bit more fluidly. It doesn't, you messed up. If you try to move all of this out as much as possible, so you move it as fast as possible. The tighter it is, the slower it moves. So basically what you do here is, now you put this, attach it under this thing. Sorry, I have troubles with that. Okay, I got it. Okay, so once you got that, then you can go ahead and attach your thing. You'll be done. I like this personally better because look, it's almost completely matched up, and it's like exactly like a real one, where it's just very little bit shorter. Works exactly the same. It's awesome. So yeah, that was balisong knife / butterfly knife. My brother has one. I don't know if he's developed any skills for it. As you can see, I haven't been using it much. I just hurt myself. Yeah, you can hurt yourself definitely on the k-nect one and on the real one. The real one's metal. This one's plastic. So basically, what I prefer is until you learn and to where you're not even surprised when it hits you while you're wearing gloves, and take them off, and then you have a little bit of resilience, and then you can just keep working out, or just keep working out normally. But see, look, there's not the problem with the orange one where you could just do like, say like, it was slanted. It'd basically be like this. And they both are already on horizontal. It'd be really weird. But you can't do that with the other one, so. Yeah, that was really cool. So goodbye, people. Tell me, your people that are subscribed to me. Comment and say exactly, how much this helped. If you need any more extra help, go to the description in my channel, and you'd be able to measure that, and I would tell you personally there. And so if you also, you could also use this and then use cardboard and max that out so it could feel like you're actually holding a real one. If you want to, go ahead, add padding so it doesn't hurt. And then you know what, after that, take this whole part off right here, put metal, and you could potentially already have a working real bayonet, not bayonet knife, butterfly knife, or balisong knife. I will not support this because I want to take it apart at some point in time and show you and explain to you exactly how this works. Probably it'll be in another video tonight. No, not tonight, just in another video. Okay? Alright. See you guys. Goodbye. Wait, did I just get this lined up? It's very costly.